Your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
Well, you know, the Deep South is an icebox right now. Earlier, the visible satellite picking up on all of the snow cover and ice cover from Mississippi into Louisiana and Arkansas. All of that white you see right there, that is snow and ice. This is actually some cloud cover. But that was earlier today. We still have a few flurries across our region. These are gradually petering out across west Alabama and northeast Mississippi, but just enough fluff to produce a nice little coating of some snow out there. Our next system, here it is in Texas. We have snow breaking out. We have some sleet, freezing rain, and some rain on the southern part of that. That is rolling our way. So let's plan this out hour by hour. Going into this evening and tonight, most of us in the teens. We will gradually warm back up as we get into early tomorrow, maybe around 20 degrees by 7 or 8 o'clock, but a very cold start, but already some snow breaking out back to our northwest. By midday, we'll pause this. Some sleet, freezing rain, snow starting to increase from the west. Most of us by midday probably still on the drier side, and these numbers may be very optimistic. Some of us, probably most of us, will be below freezing at midday. As this moisture comes on in, we think there's going to be a pretty good chance that this will be sleet and or freezing rain with some snow on the northwestern side of it. If we can warm up just enough on the southern part of this, some of that could actually switch over to a little bit of very cold rain at some point in time tomorrow afternoon or evening. Now, this is at 6 o'clock. This is just one solution here. This is very optimistic, bringing that freezing line farther north of Columbus towards West Point, Aberdeen. That may not happen. The wintry mix or freezing rain or sleet could actually be farther south than what you see here. So there's going to be a very close cutoff, and it's all based on the temperature. We know it's going to be wintry back to the northwest, and there's a pretty good chance there's going to be rain south of Macon, but somewhere between Kosciuszko and West Point, Columbus, Vernon, that's the transition zone. We just don't know how it's going to break out. So if we get into a freezing rain situation, it can be horrible. If it becomes more rain, it won't be as bad. But we'll be watching out for definitely a wintry mix, rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow back to the northwest of the Golden Triangle area tomorrow night into our Thursday. By Thursday afternoon, we're still around freezing. Most of the moisture should be on the way out Thursday afternoon, and the damage will be done yet again. So we just have to see. Right now, we're thinking anywhere from 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/3 of an inch of ice somewhere across the region, and it could really be dependent on where that freezing line sets up, exactly how far south or north this goes. But plan on at least the potential for some ice here, and also very heavy rain. If you do get rain, there could be 1/2 inch to over 1 inch in the southeastern areas. Now, on the northwestern side of this, we may see 1 to 2 or 3 inches of snow mixed in with some of that ice with the event. That is through tomorrow and also for Thursday. So something to watch out for. We broke up some of the ice there in Tupelo. There's our MDOT camera right there at Barnes Crossing Mall. So things have improved a little bit with a little bit of sunshine as we went throughout the course of the day. Some of those treads there in Starkville with the MDOT camera. So wintry weather possible tomorrow into our Thursday. 37 more sunshine Friday. We start the thaw, but it really gets going Saturday. 51 mostly sunny. 59 Sunday. A chance for some late day showers. Stay with us. Sports is next.